All right, people, one of the best values in wireless is absolutely Visible. And their new Visible Plus Pro plan, Pro Plus, whatever it's called, Carlos is doing us a solid and he's testing it. He's given it the complete run through, the gauntlet. He used 450 gigs of data in one day, and then he got completely throttled to 3 megabits per second, downlink and uplink. And then he somehow figured out a way to get the line unthrottled and then used another 450 gigs of data until he was throttled again. So he has now in 2 days reached 900 gigs of data and he has been throttled. Now, I want to discuss this particular concept as to why is Carlos abusing the network? What is he doing? What is he trying to prove? And what people need to understand about his methods and what he's trying to accomplish. He is not doing anything wrong. This is completely experimental. What he is doing is he's testing for you so you don't have to do it, the limits of which Verizon and Visible have for data usage. You don't have to do it. You don't have to jeopardize your line. He will do his for you so you can see what they end up doing. He shared this over on the X platform. This gives you an idea of what you can and can't do with Visible. So even though you're paying $45 a month for the line, even though you're paying to have a premium network experience, there are certain rules that are set in place so that way Verizon can preserve their network. I'm not a mouthpiece for the industry. I had someone in the comment section of my last video call me that when I was explaining the rules and the regulations for usage and what's considered network abuse and how they manage the network. How the hell am I a mouthpiece for the industry? They set the rules and the parameters for their data usage patterns. They have a certain set of rules. It's their network. You don't get to dictate what they do with their network. You don't own shit. You pay for access on their network. You're not the owner. You're not the purveyor of their network. Stupid. You're stuck abiding by their rules, or you can get off the network. It's simple. When someone owns something, but they let you use it, you don't break it, you don't bust it up, you don't abuse it, you don't go beyond the rules and limitations they set because it's theirs. But Carlos has been really kind to do that for us, so we don't have to jeopardize our lines. In case you actually put your real line onto Visible, you might want to know what you can and can't do. So I, for one, am appreciative of Carlos testing this for us so we don't have to do it. And I think this is an important discussion point. Using that much data in one day is absolutely abuse. It doesn't even make sense, right? So he's obviously going above and beyond what anybody normally would do. None of this is normal usage patterns, but it's good to know where those thresholds are. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you understand the position. You kind of want to know where you stand. 450 gigs in a day is too much. 900 gigs in 2 days is too much. And I think when you're paying for a prepaid service, your expectations need to be realistic. If you want to try to use more data than this, maybe get a postpaid account, maybe try to do it that way. Los, thank you for sharing. Thanks for posting this on your X account. Carlos S Tech is how you guys can find him. I think his tag is Carlos Tech 702. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Drop me some comments. Check out some more of our videos. We'll see you guys on the next one.